Hello and welcome guys. So in this video I'm going to talk about my new Python project. So this project is basically based on automation. So in this project I am going to automate Facebook using Python. So here in this project I am using Selenium Python library to automate the Facebook. So this is the code of my project. Basically this program is a self-driven program. Suppose I want to open my Facebook. So what I do, I go to Google and search Facebook, and then go on clicking on login Facebook link. I open a login page of Facebook, and then I write my email ID and password, and then logged into the Facebook. And then I scroll and like some post, and then I see some videos in the videos section and what's happening in group. So I go to the group section and see some post, and also the main thing, the notification. So I go on notification button and see the notification are coming in the Facebook, and also sometimes I go to the profile page and see my profile. So that's all I do when I use Facebook. I have made this program in such a way that all these tasks are done by this, and I only execute this program and see what's happening. So let's see. So I'm going to run this code. So let's run this program and see what's happening, whether my program is performing the same which I do on Facebook or something different. So let's run. So my Google is opened. Okay, so program is typing Facebook. Okay, and search. Oh, nice. Okay, so program is logged in the Facebook login page. Entered email ID, password, and okay, so we got our login page and logged in, and program likes one. Okay, one post program liked. Okay, and then second one, third one. Okay, so program is liking my the post in alternate fashion which I have set, and now program is opening the video section, group section, okay, and game section. Okay, great. And now program is seeing the notification window. Okay, and at last the profile. So this is the automation I have done on Facebook. So here I have seen this, and I have also made this such that the program will automatically post some status on Facebook by simply running this stuff. So this is the brief introduction of this project which I am going to build. So I will explain each complete code of this project in the next video, and then I will show you what's the theory behind this and how all this stuff is happening. So stay tuned, and we will meet in next video.